Hey, good Friday evening, everyone. We are tracking an unsettled forecast into the weekend. A few showers around this evening, severe thunderstorms down to our south and west that have pushed through late this afternoon and early evening. And as we go through tonight, additional rounds of storms and showers will move back in, especially after midnight tonight and into the early morning hours on our Saturday. Then we catch a break, and then we'll see more scattered off and on storms throughout the weekend through Monday. And then we're going to see summer warmth and humidity become the bigger story as we go through next week. So let's take a look at the forecast. So we have a severe thunderstorm watch here for parts of south and west Indiana here, so just south and west of us. This was in effect through earlier this evening. Now we take a look at the 7-day forecast moving through the weekend. You can see we do have pretty high storm chances, but it's not going to rain all day. There will actually be a lot of dry hours tomorrow once we get this wave of storms out of here early in the day. So again, here's a look at the radar this evening. We're seeing the showers push through. We'll see additional round of scattered showers and storms after midnight tonight into the early part of our Saturday here. And then we catch a break during the day tomorrow, and we will see potential for some very heavy rain totals to our south and west. It does appear the heaviest rain totals through tomorrow will stay south and west of the city, so that is some good news. And then Sunday, we start the day with another round of showers and storms. We get another break on Sunday before more storms possible late in the day. So there will be a lot of dry hours both days this weekend, unlike last weekend. But just know there will still be storms around both days, and some of those could be locally strong. And as we go through next week, we're going to finally get a little bit of a drier pattern here after Monday. Lower rain chances next week. We're also going to increase the heat and humidity, something we haven't seen much of this year. Temperatures should be in the upper 80s late next week, with those heat index values in the 90s with all that humidity that is going to be in place. So, hey, it's feeling more like summer, and we've got a little bit less rain in the forecast once we get past the weekend. So thank you guys for watching this update. Hope you guys have a great weekend and stay safe out there.